What's my favorite animal? Definitely cats. I love cats. I had a cat when I was a child. He was mostly black with white paws, and tip of his tail was white, and he was dead cute. And he lived to be 17 years old, which is quite old for a cat. I don't know, I just understand cats, and I think they understand me. I love them.
My favorite animal is definitely a dog. I can relate to dogs because I share similar characteristics, such as being friendly, lovable, loyal, and cute. Dogs are also can do so many things to help make a person feel good. They're such giving animals. And we have a German Shepherd at my parents' home in California, and I really miss him now. His name's Yogi.
What's my favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. If you asked me this question last year or 2 years ago, I would say a dog, because dogs are loyal and friendly and cute. But 2 years ago, I acquired a cat, and since then I have grown to find cats more intelligent than dogs, not so friendly, but when they cuddle on you, you love them more.
What's my favorite animal? My favorite animal is definitely a penguin, because I think they have very much in common with humans. The way they interact with each other and the way they live their life is very similar to human relationships. They have like one single partner throughout their lifetime, and they have one baby which they nurture and help to grow up. So very, very similar to humans. Okay. I also like monkeys just because they're funny and very cute. But my favorite animal is definitely a penguin.
What is my favorite animal? Well, my favorite animal to live with is a cat. So for a pet, I would say a cat, because they take good care of themselves and they're easy to look after. You can leave them alone for long periods of time. That suits me very well. But I recently saw a movie called The March of the Penguins, and I suddenly have a very big appreciation for penguins and how strong they are and how cute they are, really. So I think maybe penguins and cats.
Okay, what is my favorite animal? Well, the animal that I think is most interesting, or that I try to, I don't want to say live like, but that I think about most is the wolf, because I grew up in Minnesota, and Minnesota in the U.S. has the only native wolf population in the U.S. And so that's usually kind of an image that I try and, strong, independent, but works well in a group.
इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश सीखने वाला ऐप है, और वो भी जिसका हिंदी वर्जन, जहां हिंदी में वो सिखाया जा रहा है, वो काफी पॉपुलर हो रहा है. तो कैसे, किस तरह से, क्या ये पर्सनल ट्यूटोरियल जैसा होता है? कैसे सिखाते हैं आप हिंदी यहाँ पे?
So basically this course is taken by one of the most popular spoken English teacher.
क्या अभी भी आप सोच रहे हैं? गाइस, इट्स अ नाउ और नेवर ऑफर. एक्सेलेंट एकेडमी ऑफर कर रहे हैं आपको 90 डेज लाइव ऑनलाइन स्पोकन इंग्लिश एंड पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट कोर्स, एंड दैट टू अ सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स. घर बैठे अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को बनाए फ्लुएंट विद मनोज कांडपाल सर, पावर बाय एक्सेलेंट एकेडमी. आज ही ज्वाइन करें गाइस.